Hey there, gamers. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming news and reviews. Today, we're going to be talking about the brand new Nintendo Switch OLED model Pokémon Scarlet Violet Edition. That's right, Nintendo has done it again with this stunning new release, and let me tell you, it's a game-changer. First off, let's talk about that gorgeous 7-inch OLED screen. The colors are so vibrant and the graphics are incredibly sharp, making for an immersive gaming experience unlike anything you've ever seen before. Whether you're playing in TV mode, tabletop mode, or palm mode, you're guaranteed to be blown away by the stunning visuals. But it's not just about looks, the performance of this console is top-notch. The gameplay is smooth and seamless, and with the addition of the new Pokémon Scarlet Violet Edition, you'll have a whole new adventure to dive into. Now, I know what you're thinking, why should I upgrade to the OLED model? Well, let me tell you, the difference is like night and day. If you're a true gamer, you owe it to yourself to experience gaming on this incredible new display. And the best part? You can get your hands on the Nintendo Switch OLED model Pokémon Scarlet Violet Edition right now by clicking the link in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it. But before you go, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment letting me know what you think of this new release. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gaming content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.